right. And Tiger, we have to call your new friend, Chhota Bheem. All right. So before we start talking about how your new friend is all buffed up, and I think he goes to the gym a little more than the lovely lady and the director here, we'd like to see you guys pose together first for this new friendship. Let's see किसके muscle सबसे ज़्यादा है. क्या बात है. All right, now I would love to call on stage the director, Remo D'Souza. The lovely lady, the flying Jack, Miss Jacqueline Fernandez. I think we need to see all of you guys pose now with him, yeah? Everyone. All right, I really think Jacqueline's the strongest of them all. Yeah. Please make some noise for the entire star cast of the Flying Jut. Come on. All right, now it's time to call the Flying Jut's second friend. Roll number 21. Can we have Chris? क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. All right. Tiger, we'd love to hear you say something about your new friends.
Hi guys. Hello, hi. What do I have to say about my new friends? मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि these guys are, you know, a very strong asset to me, Flying Jut, and I'm trying to help them also. You know, the three of us make a stronger team. So, where he is a superhero, he is a superhero, I'm a superhero. So we are like the Avengers of India, you know. Yeah. But yeah, because of them, I'm trying to save more people, and we are saving more people together. Teamwork, together everyone achieves more. And if you have partners like Chhota Bheem and Chris, then that makes us unstoppable. Flying Jut is unstoppable with them.
But Tiger, you are a superhero who's afraid of heights. So what do you do differently from the other superheroes?
What do I do differently? Well, I can dance. I can, the one thing I do differently, which is very unique, which I don't think any superhero does, is I'm scared of my mother, so I have to listen to everything she says. So if I'm flying, flying home, on my way home, even if I'm in costume, she'll give me a call on my mobile and I have to pick up. She says, please go to the market to pick up vegetables. So, yeah. So I have to stop at the market and buy her vegetables.
And we've seen in the trailer that you clean your house also.
I have to clean my house also. She takes advantage of me by, using my powers in her favor. So she makes me clean houses, climb the roof, climb on the walls, clean the, cobwebs. So yeah.
Alright, I have to ask Jacqueline now, if you had a choice between Chris and Bheem, who would you go for?
I don't know who's gonna woo me better, yeah? Like maybe a little dance off. Let's try a dance off or something. Should we try a dance off on Beat Pay Booty? Do we have Beat Pay Booty? Yeah? Okay, so the better you guys help me, okay? Whoever dances better on Beat Pay Booty, I'll choose him. You guys ready?
आपको थोड़ा ट्रेनिंग करना है तो कर लो. क्या बात है Jacqueline?
Chota Bheem, did you even dance for me? Chota Bheem, did you even dance for me? Chris was dancing his heart off.
Alright, क्या बात है. Alright, so Remo sir, we want to know what is the secret behind this costume?
The secret behind this costume is, if you carefully see, there are two parts of this costume. This is Shaolin shoes and this is Sikh सरदारों का खंडा एंड पग. सो दोनों को मिक्स किया है एंड जो कलर इस कॉस्ट्यूम का है वो निहंग वॉरियर्स थे हमारे सिख वॉरियर्स, वहाँ से लिया हुआ है. सो हर चीज़ का इसमें इम्पोर्टेंस है. सो एवरीथिंग इज देयर.
बट इसको डिजाइन किसने किया है? ये मतलब क्या है ये? मतलब you I think somewhere I read it that it was designed by someone very special, by the Flying Jud's mom, something कुछ तो ऐसा था ना?
फिल्म में जो है वो हमने सभी देखा है कि आज तक हमको ये नहीं पता है कि स्पाइडरमैन का कॉस्ट्यूम, बैटमैन, सुपरमैन के कॉस्ट्यूम किसने बनाए हैं, लेकिन मैं ये बता दूं कि फ्लाइंग जेट का कॉस्ट्यूम उसकी मम्मी ने बनाया.
Mamiya, please get ready. Please design your costumes right now for them. I'm telling you first only.
और एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट आप लोगों के लिए सबसे बड़ी बात जो हमारा फ्लाइंग जेट करता है वो अपनी मम्मी की बात सुनता है. See?
You know what we'd like to see is for 1, 2 and 3 for you guys to show us your flying jet moves. Let's see that. I think that is what we're all waiting for, because you are like a dance master. We love you on screen when you're killing it on screen, and we have him who's like a dance institution only, like especially when he's taking like flips anywhere. So we'd love to see you guys dance like the perfect team. This is the perfect team. Yeah. बात है, fantastic, fantastic, lovely. अरे सिग्नेचर क्या था सर सिग्नेचर? अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. We'll see it in the movie anyway. So yeah, all right. So I think what we're also here for is that you guys are starting a hunt for 20 kids. Yeah.
Yes.
So we want to know what this is all about. What?
Shaki.
We're very, very excited to announce to all and everyone here that we're starting a hunt for 20 kids to star and dance with us, dance with me and Tiger in our promotional video. So, we're starting the hunt today. So you have to send us.
One second, I think he has something
what
to
is
say.
It, Chris? What is it? Oh, you're in it? Oh, no. Okay, auditions have started, guys. See, Chris is on it. Oh my gosh. Okay, you two. Okay, cool. We'll have to like choose our. Okay, so we have to make a selection between Chris and.
And you know what I do best.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll select. Okay.
So send us your videos in, and soon you'll get to.
On
dance
Facebook
with us.
and on YouTube, right? That's how you're looking at it. Fantastic. Please give them a huge round of applause. Yeah. I think Beam has to go. He's feeling hungry now. He wants to go and have his laddus. Yeah. He'll be back in just a bit, and I think you have to go to school also. Yeah. Or you don't want to go to school. Okay. So he just wants to go to school. We'll see them in some time. Thank you so much. All right. So we'll now open it to a round of questioning. We'll now open it also to a round of questioning. Please raise your hand and we'll you can ask your questions right now. All right, questions.
Hi Jacqueline, hi Remo, hi Tiger.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. आप तीनों से जानना चाहूंगा जिस तरह का रेस्पॉन्स फिल्म को मिल रहा है, खास करके बच्चे बहुत अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. डू यू थिंक हाफ द बैटल इज वॉन? बच्चे जब पसंद कर रहे हैं तो यकीनन माँ बाप को तो थिएटर तक ले ही जाएंगे. द रेस्पॉन्स इज रियली पॉजिटिव.
ऐसा सोच के तो नहीं बनाई थी, लेकिन बच्चों के लिए बनाई थी, वो सोचा था हमने, क्योंकि ये फिल्म मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है और मैंने हर वक्त फिल्म बनाई है, सभी पूरी फैमिली एक साथ बैठ के देख सके. स्पेशली ये वाली फिल्म तो सबसे पहले बच्चों को दिमाग में रखा एंड देन मैंने बनाई.
Okay, Jacqueline, what would you say? That the response is really positive and the kids are just loving it.
I'm just happy because we have made a family film for everyone, and if we have kids loving our film, they're the most honest critics of ours, and if we actually have them loving our film and loving our superhero Flying Jet, then seriously I feel most happy with that. If you guys all go and watch our film.
ओके टाइगर, आपसे जानना चाहूंगा, फिल्म रिलीज की कगार पे है, 25 अगस्त को फिल्म रिलीज होने जा रही है और अगर आपकी लास्ट फिल्मों की बात करें, कमर्शियली बहुत कामयाब रही हैं. आर यू नर्वस? बहुत उम्मीदें होंगी ऑडियंस को भी, क्रिटिक को भी, हर किसी को.
बिल्कुल एक एक्सपेक्टेशन अभी बढ़ चुका है मुझ पे, पर I've done 3 films in my career so far and I'm most confident about Flying Jet. तो I think it's all thanks to बचपन से मुझे एक सुपर हीरो बनना था. I've always wanted to be a superhero. So whatever I do, if I do stunts or if I dance, I try to dance like a superhero. I try to flip like a superhero. I do action like a superhero. And I always want to help people. I always tell kids, if every one of you are a superhero, it's all about helping others. That's a superpower, and that's the greatest superpower. I just want to tell you guys that.
All right, we have one little fan over there.
Let him complete.
जैसे मैं कह रहा था सर, और this is my first film with Remo sir. इंशाल्लाह अगर मौका मिलेगा तो ज़रूर फ्यूचर में भी काम करेंगे. I had the best time working with Remo sir, and he made my life so much easier. He's such a clear director. मुझे बस सेट पर जाना था और मुझे बस काम करना था. I didn't खुद से मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. It was a big team effort. And एक्शन को लेकर, डांस को लेकर मैं सब क्रेडिट इनको देना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि and I'm very confident because he was so clear in his head from day one. And हम दोनों ज़्यादातर बच्चे लोग के लिए बनाते पिक्चर, क्योंकि बच्चे लोग हमारा ये हिंदुस्तान के फ्यूचर है. And keeping them in mind, we've made this film, and I think if they're already liking it, for me, the film's already a hit.
Okay, who's your favorite superhero from the Bollywood? Though you know we have seen Chris in the form of a. Who's your favorite?
Hrithik Roshan, Krish, or मेरे डैडी शिवाकांत साहब.
How did your mother dress that suit of?
How did she dress that suit? Oh, okay, okay. Well, you want one? You want one? Okay, I'll give you one. Okay, once
Yes,
the
he'll
film
give you.
releases.
Yeah, you'll get one.
If you want, you
Sure.
can have mine. But I need it now. Okay, because I have to save the world. But once I'm done saving the world on 25th August, I'll give you my suit. Okay? What's your name? What's your name? Divij.
Divij.
Okay, I'm Tiger.
Yeah, hi.
Yes.
Hi.
Also known as Flying Jet.
Remo here. On your right.
Hi,
Yeah.
Tiger. Yeah. Over on your left.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Tiger. Hi, Jacqueline. Hi, Remo. Okay, so what I wanted to know is that your powers. Every superhero gets his powers from somewhere. It gets an insect bite or something happens. Where do you get your powers from?
I don't know if I can tell you that. I'll have to ask my director.
I think for that you have to see the film. I mean that's a secret.
It's a very
so-
important moment
Yeah.
that happens in the movie to understand how Flying Jet gets his powers and where it all begins, because he was a simple boy before that. So yeah, you have to see the film. on the
Okay,
20th.
I'm definitely watching it. But if you cannot say where do you get your powers from besides flying? Are there any other powers associated with your superhero besides flying?
Well, I'm a martial art teacher, so you know he's a gifted fighter already, and he's.
I think for the rest, then we'll watch the movie on 25th.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
You know, we'll figure it out
Too
then.
much, but good questions. Thank you.
Hi. Yeah, Remo sir here on your left. Yeah, yeah. Remo, when you're making a film like A Flying Jet, which has a huge audience base, that of kids, so is there any do's and don'ts that you follow? And perhaps is this why you have consciously stayed away from double meaning dialogues and everything in your films?
I never do that. I mean, if you would have to have those dialogues in my films, and I always make sure that कि जब भी मेरी फिल्म आए तो पूरी फैमिली एक साथ बैठ के देख सके. कोई बच्चा अपनी माँ को देख के ये नहीं बोल रहे कि वो लोग ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं और ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं. सो मेरे दिमाग में ऑलवेज रहता है कि जब बच्चे पूरी फैमिली बैठ के देखें तो कोई बच्चा अपने पेरेंट्स से कोई गलत सवाल ना पूछ ले या गलत चीज़ ना पूछ ले फिल्म देखते समय. और मैं मानता हूँ कि फिल्म भी एजुकेशन देता है आपको, और हमारी बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है एज ए डायरेक्टर कि हम वो फिल्में दिखाएं जो बच्चों को कुछ सिखाए, ना कि कुछ गलत सिखाए. सो मैं ऑलवेज मेरे फिल्मों में यही रखूँगा जो कुछ सिखा पाए.
Yeah. Also, Tiger, we see in the film that you are doing household work, including everything. Is that how you are also in real life, and you do the things that we see on screen?
I do a lot of work outside my house. In my house, my mother is my superhero. तो उल्टा है मेरे घर में. My mom is the superhero, but you know I still, in one way, I am very alike to my character because both the superhero and me are scared of my mother, and I listen to my mother. Everything she has to say, I have to listen to. She's stronger than me.
Hi, as you said last time that Hrithik was surprised with your Flying Jet trailer. So are you planning any special screening for him?
For Hrithik sir?
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind. I hope so. If he has time from his schedule, and if he wants us to organize it, yeah, we would love to. Of course, yeah. I mean,
Definitely.
he is
Jacqueline,
an idol.
and apparently recently Salman posted a video supporting Rustam, and साथ ही मोहनजोदारो भी release हो रही है. But everybody, so many people we have seen supporting Rustam. Do you support Mohenjo-daro, being a Hrithik fan?
I think we can talk about the movie. That would be better, right? Because I'm so interested to know about
let him
Flying
answer.
Jet and
Let
everything.
him answer. He can answer. Let him answer.
You know, ma'am, they're very different films, and we're only making films for you viewers. And I urge the viewers to go see both Rustam and Mohenjo-daro because they're both very brilliant films and from brilliant filmmakers and actors. So
And Flying Jet supports all films.
that's right.
रेमो सर आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, जिस तरह से लोग बायोपिक बना रहे हैं और हाल में ये भी खबर आई है कि आर.डी. बर्मन साहब पे बायोपिक बनने जा रही है.
अच्छा,
क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आर.डी. बर्मन जी इतने दिग्गज लीजेंड रहे हैं म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री के. हाउ डू यू सी
मेरे
दिस?
को आइडिया नहीं है एक्चुअली कि उन पे कोई फिल्म बन रही है, बट बायोपिक्स चल रही है, बननी चाहिए.
Okay, Jacqueline, what do you say about there's a biopic happening on R.D. Burman?
On?
R.D. Burman.
All
R.D.
right,
Burman.
sir, they're going to cancel it. I think we're running out of time also. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.